Hi, I'm Tim from InRhythm. We work right across the country, and today we are working with Woonona Public School on the end of a 10-week drumming program.
Usually when I'm drumming, I feel like I can express my feelings without, having to explain. I liked how we got to learn new beats every lesson. With that extra practice, I feel very different and I feel really good. I definitely felt calm and relaxed when I really got into the tune of the beat or song. Then I could just close my eyes and just drum away.
Hi, my name's Bodie. I feel like the drum's wiggling on the floor. It's just music pretty much, but pretty good. And if we didn't have music, we wouldn't really be able to listen to anything pretty much. And I listen to lots of music pretty much every day.
I make friends when I'm drumming.
It was absolutely amazing. They would not stop talking about it for the rest of the day. I actually had parents also give me amazing feedback. During NAIDOC week, we actually made clapping sticks, and they didn't want to do what I wanted to do. They wanted to do all the beats and rhythms that InRhythm had taught them, which was good, and they wanted to be the teacher, which was amazing.
Harry, Judah, Jen.
They loved it. They were sort of, you could hear them around the school just repeating the beats and rhythms as they were walking around. It sort of was infectious the way they were going around, and they were all excited for it. As Brooke mentioned, lots of students came out of their shell during it, ones getting into it that I didn't think would. And I think it just had a really positive impact overall.
Hi, my name's Samuel. After a long day at school, since we do it in the afternoon, it's good to just let it flow out after a long day at school.
They've been really engaged. I think for themselves, they've learnt what it's like to be really immersed into something that is occupying their whole attention. I've actually included it in my physical education program as well as in our arts and music program, because it's actually giving them a pretty good workout, upper body workout as well.
We've been integrated into school curriculum programs because it's a really quick and easy way for students to learn music and to start to explore music.
They're very, very engaged with this, and I think back in the classroom I can use it to refer to how well were you concentrating in there, how well were you focused on what was going on while you were drumming, because they do become totally absorbed in what they're doing.
Drumming like this and singing really regulates the nervous system and allows a lot of natural release of stress and tension.
I liked learning all the rhythms because it helps you relax. When you just you're just lying on your bed and you've been very stressed out, I just remember the rhythms and I suddenly feel relaxed.
They get their creativity out, and then when they've come back into the classroom, they're focused and ready. So they're still happy and eager, but they come back focused, even though it is a high kind of time for them.
Hi, my name is Hannah. Drumming made me feel like I had stronger friendships. It makes me relax and it gives me more confidence.
I think the drumming is a fantastic program because it's so inclusive. All of the students in my class have been invited into the space with the drumming rhythms already happening when they arrive. And then on all of their seats there's a drum inviting them to join in, and they can sit down and just participate. And for my students as well, It's really important to invest in them the idea of risk-taking, and it doesn't matter if you necessarily get something right, but just giving it a go. And when they're all drumming collectively together, it doesn't matter if they make mistakes or they come up with their own rhythm in the middle. They're just all having fun and doing it together. So it's been a lot of fun. When I was at school, we learnt the recorder for many years, and we didn't have anything available like this that is exciting and dynamic and encourages the students, whether they're from a musical background or not, to participate in a musical program. So it's definitely valuable as part of their learning experience. And it's a lot of fun, they love it.
Come back in rhythm.
Great, we've just finished the 10-week course. It's been amazing. If you'd like us to come to your school and show you the therapeutic benefits of an ongoing program with your students, please get in touch.